Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Harmonic Jungles. Today I will tell you all about the Phrygian scale so you can use it better in your melodies and harmonies. So we're going to talk about the Phrygian scale, which is simply a natural minor scale with its second lowered by a semitone. So if we have an E minor scale, by lowering the F sharp to an F natural, we get to the E Phrygian scale. Clearly, the big difference between an E minor and an E Phrygian scale is the lowered second degree, which is now an F. And this is our keynote to create the sound color of this mode. So you ever wanted to make a melody in a Phrygian scale, make sure to exploit this pitch and its relation to the root note of the scale as much as possible, as it is the most important ingredient of this scale. Important things to consider is that when you are writing melodies, be aware of the fourth and the fifth degree, which in our case are the notes A and B. These notes combined with the root note of our Phrygian scale being E would shift our sound to an A aeolian. So be aware and always listen closely to what you are writing, and finally judge it by what you hear and not what you wrote. Now finally, let's talk about chords. We should first find our primary chords, and as I already told you guys before, all of the church modal scales have primary and secondary chords. If you are new to these terms, please make sure to watch the other videos prior to this one so you get a better grasp of the theory. And also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell dingy so you won't miss out on future videos. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a triad on top of each note of the scale we already have, and it will give us these chords. It goes without saying that the chord built on the first degree of the scale is our first primary chord. But other than that, we should look for chords that are including the infamous F natural in their structure. I'll give you a few seconds so you can also pause the video to find these chords yourselves. Okay, so if you have guessed the second and the seventh degree, you are right, as both of these chords include our natural F pitch, and they are crucial in creating our sound color. Let's hear them out. Now, you are probably saying that B diminished also has an F natural in it, but I wouldn't choose the B diminished chord since it has a powerful tendency to resolve to a C major chord, and this can take away the dark ancient effect of the Dorian scale and make it sound more like classical harmony. And we don't want that in our case. Other than our primary chords and the diminished, the rest of the chords are secondary, which are used to create extra color and tension. So the chords built on the first, second, and seventh are primary, and third, fourth, and sixth are secondary. Now let's explore the seventh chords. Seventh chords over the degrees 1, 2, 4, 6, and 7 can sound really nice. But I would not use the 7th chord rooted from the note G, being the G dominant 7th chord, and also the diminished 7th chord over the note B, due to the reason I already mentioned before, their tendency and the sound color which wants to solve to C major. In the next video, I will tell you all about the Lydian scale, and I really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did and don't want to miss out on new videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell dingy. And till later, Homayun out.